The sum of infinite series sine inverse 1 by root 2 plus sine inverse root 2 minus 1 by root 6 and so on is to be obtained. So there is a series in sine inverse containing different type of angles, and we have to find the sum of these terms up to infinity. So let's see how we can do that. First of all, we know that to add up the inverse trigonometric functions, we have very few formula, and to add up a series like this one going up to infinity, definitely those formulas are not very useful. We can add two sine inverse terms using some formula, we can subtract them. In this series, the terms are infinite, so in that condition, combining two terms and then adding the third term and then adding the fourth term, that won't work. So what we try to do in this type of problems is to break each of the term in two terms such that the second part of the first term cancels out the first part of the second term, that is the telescopic format. So if we try to do that, here we can see that rth term of this series can be written as sine inverse root of r minus root of r minus 1 divided by root of r into root of r plus 1. This is the rth term. If we manipulate it like this, sine inverse, we break the term inside the bracket in two parts, and that can be written as root of r divided by root of r multiplied by root of r plus 1 minus root of r minus 1 divided by root of r into root of r plus 1. So here we should be trying to get this in the format of the formula sine inverse x root 1 minus y square minus y root 1 minus x square is equal to sine inverse x minus sine inverse y. So with that intention, what we do, we cancel out, we write it as sine inverse 1 by root r multiplied by r upon r plus 1 minus 1 upon root of r plus 1 multiplied by root of r minus 1 by r. We can do that. Now we write it as sine inverse 1 by root r multiplied by 1 minus r plus 1, the first term, minus 1 upon root of r plus 1 multiplied by root of 1 minus 1 by r. And if we further write it properly, then you can see that sine inverse 1 by root r, this is 1 minus 1 upon root of r plus 1 whole squared minus 1 upon root of r plus 1 multiplied by 1 minus 1 by root of r whole squared. This is exactly this format. If you take this as x and this as y, then this is x into root of 1 minus y square minus y into root of 1 minus x square. So using this formula, we can write it as sine inverse 1 by root r minus sine inverse 1 upon root of r plus 1. This can be done. Once we have done that, then by putting r is equal to 1, we should be getting the first term and so on. So let's do that. So this term splits into, for r is equal to 1, this will be 1 by 1 minus sine inverse 1 by root 2. This is the first term. The second term will split as sine inverse 1 by root 2 minus sine inverse 1 by root 3, and third will be sine inverse 1 by root 3 minus sine inverse 1 by root 4 and so on. And let's write the nth term for this. The nth term will split into sine inverse 1 by root n minus sine inverse 1 upon root of n plus 1. And now you can clearly see that this factor will cancel out this one, this term will cancel out this one, and so on. So at the end this will be left out, and in the beginning this will be left out. So we get sine inverse 1 minus sine inverse 1 upon root of n plus 1. And if we call this sum Sn, then we have to find S infinity, that is sum going up to infinity. So we can write that as S infinity is equal to limit n goes to infinity of this expression Sn, that is limit n is approaching to infinity, then sine inverse 1 minus sine inverse 1 upon root of n plus 1. Now when n is approaching to infinity, we know that 1 upon root of n plus 1, that will be approaching to 0. So this will be sine 0, and this sine inverse 1, that is equal to pi by 2. So this should come out to be equal to pi by 2. And that's the sum for infinite terms of this series. Let's check out the answer. That is okay. Option 2 says pi by 2, and that is the correct option. So that was a good question on telescopic series in inverse trigonometric functions, one of the favorite areas to ask questions by JEE. So that's it. Thank you.